Welcome to Fix It Fast. Hey everyone, before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow. Today I'm going to show you the best simple ways to get music from YouTube saved onto your device. These methods are easy to follow, and you can do them on either a phone or a computer. So just stick with me till the end. Open your browser and go to YouTube Studio by typing studio.youtube.com. Once it loads, sign in, then scroll down the menu on the left side and click on Audio Library. Here you'll find thousands of free tracks and sound effects that are 100% safe to use in your videos, even if you are monetized. You can filter by genre, mood, or artist. Preview any track by pressing play, and when you find one you like, just click the download icon to save it directly to your device. On PC/Mac, check your system's default downloads folder. And that's it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to subscribe to Fix It Fast and drop a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.